Hi everyone, and welcome back to the next edition of Art Inspo with Miss Parnell. Today the girls and I decided we wanted to do a little research on space and create an artwork inspired by it. So today we picked out one of our favorite books, which is The ABCs of Space. And after we read the book, we looked up some images of planets to see what we wanted to do for our artwork. So this is my youngest daughter's. She did planet Earth and the sun, kind of based off of what I did for my example. The artwork that we're doing for this is painting with markers, because I know some of you might not have paints at home, but if you have markers, Crayola markers actually work best. We did use some Mr. Sketch markers and they didn't really work for the marker painting as well as the Crayola markers did. So what you do is just get a white paper, maybe gather some nice circular objects that you can use as stencils to trace around. And then we used a Sharpie to trace the planets, not the sun. Because the Sharpie, since it is a permanent marker, when you paint over it with water, it won't bleed. So it'll stay a nice strong black line. Now, the other colors you do want to bleed when you get them wet. So, like I said, the Crayola markers work best. And you kind of want to do, you don't want to color things all the way in with your marker. You want to do some nice lines. I created some galaxies, and my girls did too, using different kind of galaxy color inspired. We used white crayon, all kinds of tricks with this one. We used some white crayons to press down hard and draw some stars in the background. We then used some black Crayola markers to draw some more stars, trying to figure out how we could try to make this background a little bit darker. So once you've colored in and created your white stars, your black stars, whatever planets you're doing, then you want to just get a cup of water, and like I have here, and a paintbrush, and you simply just spread the water out over the markers, and the markers will bleed out and start to color in your artwork. So that is today's art inspiration, is painting with markers. And today our subject matter was space. All right, bye guys.